Oh my god, that worked. Oh my god, that's working. Alright, so we're about to be doing an oil change. Should be pretty gnarly. I have my mom's vacuum that I'm borrowing because we're about to be doing an oil change, guys. And I keep seeing on TikTok that if you put a vacuum to your thing, it's just gonna suck it up. So I'm gonna try it. Okay, so we're loosening up the bolt now, guys. As you can see, it's already wanting to drip. So let's go turn on the vacuum. Oh my god, that worked. Oh my god, that's working. How do I turn off the vacuum? Oh my god. Holy shit, that shit works. Oh. Fuck. Fuck, please don't spill everywhere. Oh. Bro, this car still had fucking oil in it. Bro, I thought this car was gonna have no fucking oil, bro. This bitch is full as fuck. I'm be honest. The reason I was stressing at first is because of this, guys. Look. I'll show you exactly why. This bitch. I've been driving this bitch fucking negative 105 fucking miles. So like, you know, I'm like, fuck, dude, I'm probably have no fucking oil. Bitch, I still have oil. Man, what a joke.